Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great week. I'm so excited for today's video because it is ERIN CONDREN's launch day. So today is a day that a lot of people that are fans of ERIN CONDREN and use their planners and stationery and all of the things that ERIN CONDREN has to offer are really excited for, because it is launch day for their brand new life planners for this coming year. I have a big box that ERIN CONDREN sent over to me to unbox and kind of share some of the new things with you guys. It is one of the biggest boxes I have ever received from them. It is huge. It is so big, and I'm just really excited to kind of dive into it and show you guys the planner that I selected and share the different accessories and all the things that that they sent over. So let's get right into it. All right, so I have the box sitting over here beside me, all opened up, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you all of the accessories and the pens and stickers and all of the fun things that I'm looking at here first. And then at the end, I'll put the camera down and flip through the planner that I selected, because it's something that's brand new from ERIN CONDREN and I'm really excited about it. But let's get all of the other stuff out of the way first. The theme that I went with, there's a couple of different options from ERIN CONDREN. I will of course have everything linked below so that you can check it out, but I went with the flora theme. That's like a tongue twister. It's a really pretty like floral pattern, and I am usually a big floral person with all of my planners. Anything that I get, this is the current one that I'm in. It's like a really pretty watercolor floral pattern and I love it. But this particular pattern is really pretty. I feel like it's a little different for ERIN CONDREN. I don't know, I could be wrong, but they're like muted floral colors and I feel like it's really pretty and it's classy looking, and I'm super excited to use it. So that is like the theme that I selected as far as everything that I'm gonna be showing you pattern wise and all of that. So right here on top, we'll go ahead and get started here. I have a 24 package of their fine tip markers, and I'm really excited about this because I just recently grabbed them on the ERIN CONDREN website and I've been using them for a little while now, and I really like them. For a long time I was using their dual tip markers where it's a little bit thicker on one side and then the fine tip at the other, and then when I saw that they launched these, I picked up a really small package like right away because I wanted to test them out and see if I liked them, and I do. I really love them. So I was excited to see this kind of right here hanging out on top. But this is a 24 pack and you have tons of different colors and options in here, and it comes in this really cool case. I don't know if I will keep them in the case because I usually will put them inside a planner pouch or something, but I like all of the different color options that's within here. All right, the next thing that I have here is a pen, and it comes in this really pretty case. This is the pattern that I was just telling you guys about that I selected, and I love it so much. When you open up the box here, I will show you. Hopefully it will not fall out. No, there it is. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. It is a little bit different than some of their other pens that have a like top that you pull off. This one is a twistable, so you can kind of use it that way. I'm excited to kind of use it and see how it writes, but this one is really pretty. I also have one of their planny packs here, which is a small little, here I'll take it off of the cardboard here so you can see it, but it is a zipper pouch for you to put all of your planner things. If there's pens, washi tape, scissors, whatever. It's a little tiny pouch here, and it's really pretty in this print, but the back of it has an elastic band so that you can loop it over your planners. And there's also a small little like pocket back here in the back of it. I really like my pen, I think it's called my pencil pouch or pen pouch. It's very similar to this. I wish I had it. I would show you guys right now. That's my favorite. I have it in every single one of my packing videos. If you guys have seen any of those, you would see it in there for sure. That's my favorite type of pouch from ERIN CONDREN. This one here, I haven't used a whole heck of a lot because I find it to be a little bit big for what I need, because I just don't carry around a lot of planner things. But this is what it looks like on top of the LifePlanner, for example. And as you can see, it kind of loops around here so that it keeps all of your things like neat and compact. I will say though, I do see myself using this just because I really, really like the pattern. Now moving into some stickers, which is one of my favorite parts. These are so pretty. I think they are all the same, but I want to open it and make sure that there's not different ones in this pack here. This is what the pack looks like. I think it's just the themed sticker pack. And, oh, they are all different. So let's check them out. This here is the first one. And I will kind of briefly go through these, I think, when I show you my planner, just so you can see them up close, because I don't know how well the camera focuses. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna show you these up close when I show you my planner. They are really, oh my gosh, such a pretty color palette. I love, love, love them. Okay, we're not gonna spend a lot of time on these right now, but I'm gonna set these aside so that I can show them to you up close when I get into the planner. I also have this designer sticker book, which is, gosh, I keep saying it, but it's so pretty. Like the foil around it and the color combination, I just find it so pretty. And that's the back there. We'll kind of flip through these. These are about the same here, so you can kind of see their designer sticker book. Oh, I love them. I also have a 2-pack of their washi tape in like this same floral print, but there's a blue one and it looks like a kind of a muted purple-ish background on the other one. I'll go ahead and kind of open these up and show you when I show you the planner. But last but not least, it looks like everything else in the box besides my planner, which I'm so excited to get into right now and show you, are all snap-ins for the LifePlanner. So I have a set of mini snap-in bookmarks. I love these. I have a couple of these that I use now. I don't have any of the other things I'm about to show you though, but these are really pretty. There's 3 sets or 3 different ones in here that you can kind of clip in throughout your LifePlanner. There's a blue one, like a creamed taupe color, and then you also have a like muted pink one. So these are really fun. And then I also have here, which I've never had before. This is a snap-in dashboard. It's just one side, okay, so they're different sides. I'm opening it for the first time with you guys because I've never seen them. But one side is, oh, it's so pretty. Oh gosh, I love it. One side is a to-do list, and then the other side is the days of the week. So this is a fun little dashboard. It just clips right in here, the coils on the side of your planner. Then I have here a sticky note, snap-in stylized sticky notes. 8 pads, 20 repositional adhesive notes. So it looks like this. It snaps in horizontally into the LifePlanner over on the side here, so that you have like a little dashboard for all your sticky notes. I'm not a big sticky note person, to be honest. I don't use them a lot, and I'm excited to kind of try them. So this is cool, like that. And then lastly here, this is a checklist dashboard. So this is the actual size of the LifePlanner here. This one's bigger. Very cool. Checklist, snap-in checklist dashboard. Let me open it so I can show you all. Stay on track and in style. Adorable portable dashboard. If a plan doesn't work, change the plan, not the goal. I like that. This is the back, kind of watercolored graph there. And then this is the front, just a regular checklist here. All right, that looks like everything that I got besides my actual planner. I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down so that we can dive right into that and I can show you some of this stuff a little bit more up close. All right, so the planner I decided to go with was this brand new A5 Life Planner in the Ring Agenda. This is something brand new from ERIN CONDREN. I'm excited to try it out because it has been a really long time since I've been in any type of a Ring Agenda. I used to have one years and years and years ago, but never in this A5 size. I always tended to go into like a smaller one that was a little bit more portable. So I'm really excited to try this. I think the quality of this cover is really nice. I went with the camel color, obviously here. There are a few other color options. There's going to be the mid-century circle print, which is like the classic bright circle color that you're kind of used to with ERIN CONDREN, one of their most like classic prints. Then you also have a blush color, which I was really torn with. I almost went with that one. And then you have a gold option. So this one here, like I mentioned, is the camel. I love the stitching detailing here. The closure here is just a regular magnetic button closure. On the back here of the agenda, there's no pockets or anything like that, but you do have the ERIN CONDREN logo down there at the bottom. And then the side is just the regular part where the binder goes in. So let's open it up so I can show you what it looks like on the inside. I love how soft this material is on the cover. When you open it up, it does lay completely flat, nice and wide. You do get a perpetual calendar with your Life Planner insert here. Which is typically something that you do get with a Life Planner, but basically it's just a calendar for you to write in anniversaries, birthdays, reoccurring events, things that you want to make sure that you put from planner to planner, dates that tend to not change over time. So you do have that option with your planner. Then over here on the side, I'll kind of move it over and show you the actual cover here first. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets there on the inside. And then you also have a little slit opening here that you can use for anything really, notepads or bookmarkers or pens or markers. I have one of these notepads from ERIN CONDREN that I'll likely kind of slide into there. And then you can kind of use this to store all of your things. On the back of the planner here, you do have one built-in pen loop, which I think is awesome. And then this pocket here opens up. So if you wanted to use this for paper clips or bookmarks or things like that, you have that option as well. The inside is so soft. I absolutely love it. On the back of the cover here, you do have another opening here, which is perfect for larger notepads or even to slip that perpetual calendar down inside. But you can easily use any of these notepads from ERIN CONDREN, for example, and kind of slip them down in there. So you have extra there as well. So I love that that's back there. This was one that I just recently got, and I love this watercolor pattern here, and I think it all matches really well. Behind here, it is open on this side as well as the other side here. So if you did use this kind of pocket, if you will, back here, it does not close over here. It's not sewn, it is completely open. So just something to keep in mind. Now on to the Life Planner. This is what it looks like. You have kind of like a clear cover or clear like paper here on top of it. And then it goes right into the actual Life Planner. In the beginning here, you have a couple of pages, a couple of additional like graphic type pages. I think these are so pretty. Like I keep saying throughout this video, I love this print. I think it's just very classic looking and it looks so good against this camel. And I imagine it would look absolutely beautiful with the blush as well. So you have a couple of those pages here in the front. And then it goes right into your year at a glance. And then you have a couple of goal pages that you can kind of jot out plans for the year. And then again, you get into like more beautiful pictures. This one here starts your very first month. So the planner that I have is the 18 month. I believe it's let me double check that. Yes, it is the 18 month. So it's gonna run from July of this year to December of next year. So this here starts the very first month, which is July, and it is tabbed over here on the side. Right when you flip it open, you have your month at a glance, which I think is so pretty. I love just the very faint kind of graphic here at the top that goes with this pattern, because I feel like it's not quite as bold and out there as some of like the patterns of the past or like the bright watercolors. I think that it will go well when you're kind of using stickers and planning and everything on this main page here. So this is your month at a glance, one of my favorite parts of the Life Planner of Erin Condren, because I love how big these boxes are. It makes it really easy to plan. So then right after that, you do have one lined page, and then it goes into your month at a glance. So you have a open box here, a small little dotted box down here, and then up here at the top, you have a couple of bubbles and then more lines over here. So just a place for you to kind of plan for the month and get organized. I like to plan things like birthdays or events or holidays or anything like that that's kind of special to the month. I usually use this area to kind of jot all that down. Then right after that, you go into your week at a glance, and it is Monday through Sunday. So Monday is going to start over here and go all the way down to Friday. You do have a full block for Saturday and Sunday, which is nice because I know a lot of the planners, you just have like a half and half for the weekend, but you do have a full block for both of those. And then instead of designating the space down here at the bottom for something specific like meal planning or notes or what have you, it's just completely open. It's a completely open lined page with your month at a glance calendar over there. So I love this setup. I haven't actually planned in a horizontal type planner like this in a while. It's been a little while since I planned in anything Erin Condren related that's laid out like this. Typically when I plan with my Erin Condren planners, it's all gonna be the vertical Life Planner type style. So I'm excited to try this from them. But you just have all of those pages throughout the whole month, and then at the very end here, you do have an additional note page before you go into the next month. And then every month from there on out is gonna be set up exactly the same. But I did wanna show you a couple of the pages that are for the months, because I think that they are just absolutely pretty. So that's August, September, and you have all these little quotes down here at the bottom, which are so awesome too. I won't go through all of them, but I just want to give you a good feel for kind of what this particular flora print is. December, Magnolia. Oh, I absolutely love them. I think they're so pretty. So here's just a couple, and they all look so good with this, like, I love this camel cover. Lavender, Plumeria. So you guys get the idea, but there's a couple kind of for you to look at. I also wanted to show you up close just a couple of these stickers, because it was really hard to show you in there when I was trying to hold them up. But this is one of the pages of the sticker packs. You have this one, and then you have some to-dos and this week and rescheduled, canceled, just a couple of daily planning stickers here. I just love them. This one was one of my favorites. It's hard to tell in the light because it's like reflecting in, but they're just really pretty, kind of script happy birthday. And look at those like cupcakes. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. I love it. There's that one. And then the last one in this sticker pack is just open rectangle sheets for like planning. And then I'll show you a glance quickly here of this sticker book, because this was another one that I couldn't really show too up close, but they're just really, really pretty. I love those. Those might be my favorite. You can see them. Those are really pretty too. All right, there you have it. I hope that this video was helpful and kind of gave you an idea of a few of the different new things that Erin Condren is launching today. I will of course have all of the links down below. There's so many different things that they have that come out around launch time. This just happens to be the particular planner and pattern that I selected, but there's definitely something for everyone. So I will have it all down linked below. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below as well. And I will talk to y'all on my next video. Have a great rest of your week.